hell, boy.
Max, we're not going that way. No, you can.
It's the same way.
You said it's okay.
I've heard English.
Max, you're crazy.
You were the hardest thing ever.
Alright, tell me right through.
Yeah.
Is it tight?
It looked a lot better than that one.
Alright.
Loki might go that way.
Alright, coming.
No.
What? Which way are we
Yeah, it's
going?
not that bad.
You could go that way or this way. This one's tighter.
This one's what?
Tighter.
Why would you go that way then?
Ow!
Alright, good.
Yes?
Where he is?
I'm right here.
Why did y'all go over there? Wasn't it tighter?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's the thrill of it.
Yo, where's that?
Oh, yeah. No, this one wasn't as bad. It looked a lot tighter than it was going to be, but it ended up being fine.
Y'all like getting in the tight spaces?
Oh, when you say it like that, it sounds weird.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad actually.
Yeah, no, it looked a lot tighter.
There's another one down there.
Well, I don't know if we're actually going that way.
Why do you think
Well, we're going this way, so I
Is
think
there
it's
No, Dad, somebody switch helmets with me. I don't want the damn camera no more.
down here.
I keep hitting my hitting my head.
Where is my buddy?
Come on down here.
Josh, I'm right here.
You guys have this whole hallway,
This was nice.
you have this whole hallway to
Who
play
wants
in.
my helmet?
That hallway over there, you can go over there and
Might be
play
too
there
big.
too, okay?
Excuse me, what's down there?
Go find out.
We'll
Okay,
find out.
let's go.
Okay.
What? What?
Yo, wait for you, guys.
I got two. I got the. I got two tight.
Where are you going?
Just stretch them open.
Where's that?
I didn't know my business.
Wait,
I didn't know they had sizes. I gotta get down.
Good.
Well, I want to sit down.
There are literally stairs.
Ellen,
Thank God. I was tired of that.
where's your...
Who has Bob? Who's that?
It's too tight.
Would you need that?
I didn't bring it.
Why not?
I don't know.
Under has literally the worst version I've ever heard in my entire life.
I didn't have him last year.
I'm so sorry. I didn't.
No, I agree with you, I agree with you.
So where are we going?
There's some spots we're not gonna go to, but the reason why I wear coveralls is because you have to slide down a gravel slide.
Come here.
By the time you do that, if you just have a shirt on, your shirt goes up, all the gravel goes up into your shirt, then
Why are
when
you
you
going
stand
back
up, it
there?
goes down into your pants.
That's where we...
Yeah, I was back here.
That's where you came
That's why I
from.
like
He said
coveralls.
That's where we came from.
Yeah, we came from down there.
Is that what
No,
you
We're going this way.
I came from over there.
We're coming this way.
Yeah. So it's either down there to the...
Wait, we're going
So
this
we
way.
got you
We're going
a
this way.
smile.
Yeah,
Wait,
who
so we
is
should
that?
take a picture.
Yeah. That's all that's down there.
So we should take a picture of this, bro.
Mike,
Did you go down
My
there?
name's Miguel.
Not down here.
Mike,
Go look.
Angel would like to leave, to go out.
Who has Bob? Does Scott still have Bob?
Is there anybody
Yeah.
else that would like to
She's
exit?
catching it.
Guys, anybody else that wants to exit?
Yeah. And those two are exploring.
They're exploring, they're fine. Anybody want to exit?
You going there?
Anybody want to want it? Yo, Scott.
Wait, where are we going?
I'm just gonna check it's not.
Oh, just let me see.
Don't go up the hill. If you find the hill, don't go up the hill. Okay, only down. Yes.
Wait, here, let me go bullet.
So,
What? Max.
I can just hang out.
Here, listen.
That's what I'm thinking, just hang out and just.
Bob!
I can
Get Bob.
Is the GoPro on your head supposed to be on?
relax.
Yeah.
No, I mean Alan's.
Oh.
Is the GoPro on your head on?
Yeah.
It's got no red light. There's some blue lights behind it, but
Why do I have this one? Yeah, how'd that get on? All right,
yeah, I just thought I might let you know.
Scott, are you rethinking your life choices?
honestly, I'm gonna try to see if I can figure it out. Okay, guys, you get to explore
Understandable.
in this room, in the next room, anywhere that you want to, okay?
We shall
But
sit
don't
together.
stick yourself in somewhere
go
that
down
you don't feel
I have a
comfortable about.
question.
What's your question?
Can we go down?
He said explore.
Yeah.
Come on, guys, we're going down there. We're exploring down there.
So we don't have beef.
Wait, I can go down as far as I want?
Yeah. Because me and you, I mean, because I can.
So how do we meet back up?
Like,
We go back the way we came.
crazy.
Where's Scott? That's my best friend.
Scott is up here.
Scott!
Yo!
Scotty
go
checking.
down here.
Oh, can we go down there?
Wait, well, anyway,
Alan!
West Bank.
Wait, y'all, shush. Jalen, shut the fuck up.
Wait, so how far?
Alan!
I'm going down pretty far.
Can we go through this slide?
Oh,
Slide?
Wait, Scott.
But hell no, but you
Wait, no, down here, let's play. Come
wait,
on.
you said wait?
Wait, I want people to go through this slide. It's a slide down back here.
don't go down there. Just not yet.
Oh, yeah, I see that.
Wait, he said hold
Can I
on.
take the path
It's just
down?
hey, go.
No, it kind of is a slide.
Am I not supposed to?
Josh, so fat. I love it. Like he's making Cause that joint overly
Okay.
Turks.
All right.
It's a slide.
Oh, that's the rabbit hole. Okay, there's another, if you go down there, there's another one that's a little smaller.
Oh,
That you
smaller?
Go through and.
Wait, so I can go down?
Listen up, it's tricky though. Because you gotta go through and then go up.
Wait.
No, I'm not going to do
So we have to like shimmy up.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna do
But
that.
if you're gonna do that, let me know so I get on the other side, get
Zoe, I-
video of you coming out.
Alan, can you do me?
Wait, is that the one we did last year? Oh, then it's easy.
Oh, I heard that. You did.
Then it's easy.
Wait, someone gotta go down there with Scott though.
I'll go down there with Scott.
But if you wanna go down
Josh, you
there,
going down there?
Watch out.
Go ahead, go down there with
you can
Scott.
explore
But
all you
Scott, I
want.
ain't going in that joint. I ain't gonna keep it a bug. I'm just be your buddy.
But if you're gonna do anything that's kind of,
He said
if you're gonna do anything that's kind of like risky or fun, let me know so I can get video of it.
Alan, is this
he said he
risky?
needs to get a video.
Well,
Hell yeah,
So,
boy, you
Alan.
crazy as hell, boy.
Alan,
what?
go come through here.
What?
We're gonna go through there.
Okay,
Keep not
go.
responding to me.
Okay, so we can get the Scott.
Oh, we're good?
Zoe, why?
Wow!
That girl named is Jalen.
Zach, keep calling me Jayla. I'm gonna you up. Ow, fuck!
Where do I go after this guy?
He says go down and then up.
They're not the same thing, so respect my name.
Yeah, there's a slide that goes down, but it's kind of tricky because you
I
have
ain't
to go
never called you
up.
Joe.
Yeah, it's low key. It's low key.
Wait, I ain't going down there.
Scott, you're a
But hell no, that's how white people should. But hell
No, Jalen, it's so like
I think
it's
this is the rabbit hole.
yeah. You get to stand up.
no. My butt itch.
No, it's like I can't go anywhere.
God.
Scott is right there.
Alice in the Alice Wonderland?
Alice Wonderland? What? You slow.
Oh, hell no.
I
Go back.
can't go through that.
Go back.
Go back.
Go back.
I can't go through that.
It's too tight.
Man, hell
Yeah,
no.
you can't go through that.
Nobody can go through that. Go
You
back.
can't go through that. Like actually,
Oh,
Y'all abort
go
mission.
through what? Let me see. Flash your light over there.
like you literally can't go through.
Oh,
Scott, you crazy as hell, man.
let's go through the other rabbit hole.
He said explore, right?
Scott, you smoking crazy dick, bud.
Scott, you smoking mad balls, yo.
Aaron.
His balls, man. He might be smoking his own balls. He weird.
They going through this one?
Man,
Yeah, slide.
hell no, man.
Alright, they go first, I'll go after them.
I'll go first.
That's a lot of bullshit.
Too much head first or?
I say legs.
I ain't even gonna lie to you.
It smells like fucking.
Wait, I gotta pee so bad.
I'm
I'm so fucking. I don't know.
No, genuinely, I had pee, but
I did. Actually, no. I peed before we left. I still gotta pee.
Alright, you go, I'll go right after.
Yeah, it don't matter.
Oh, yeah.
Scott,
Down there?
Yeah.
my feet are numb.
No, I got a helmet on though, so it's chill.
My feet no.
Mine here.
Boy, you crazy as hell, boy. This a one and done thing. I don't know why you came back.
Who is that? Is that Janelle?
I need to sit down.
Yeah, that's enough. This is fun.
Oh shit! Y'all be careful! What is that? All right, y'all can come in.
You're not gonna do it again, oh?
How you supposed to get back up?
Hi, Alan.
Hi.
Where are we going?
Actually.
Are we going towards you?
If you want to, you can go anywhere you want to in here.
Okay. Who's going? You can go head first or feet first. It don't matter. Can somebody come on? Come on, Zoe. He said we can either go with him or we can explore back this way.
What's the biggest way?
Both of them are big. It's just walking.
This is fun.
He said we could either go there, because Alan is over there, or we could go back this way and explore. We honestly can't get lost in this cave. Is the red light still on?
Yeah.
I bumped
Just
this
want to help you. Like, yeah, you bumped it. It's like I'm losing the course of like actually seeing stuff.
Hey guys, there's holes in the wall that you can explore if you want. You can just hang out in this room if you want. Whatever you feel like doing.
So
Okay.
now we can explore over there, and then we can either hang out in that room, which kind of sounds boring. Sorry, Alan. So,
I said we split that way.
turn around, Paige. Yes, Paige, you have to go.
Ow,
You
fuck.
have the camera.
Wait, is everybody through?
Yeah.
Wait, camera. Wait. Ooh.
Who is that?
Paige. Put the camera up a little bit. Yeah. So the camera. Okay, I thought I turned it off. I was scared for a second.
Alright, so
Is everybody through? We gotta wait till everybody's through.
is that
I want to go this way.
No, it's just a hangout place over there.
Work. Angelica. Work. Elijah and Peggy. Scott, who's that?
That's Josh. I mean, Mike.
That's not me.
I mean, Mike. My fault.
How you get a wedgie with drawers?
I'm sliding.
How do you get a wedgie?
Is this a slide?
Yes, this is slide.
Come on through, Scott.
I'm here.
Is everybody through?
Yeah.
Is that everybody?
Ow.
Okay.
Everybody's making my work.
We could go up there. I'm gonna keep you
Wait, which way? We go that way?
up here. Ow. It's a little slippery, so be careful.
That's a little slippery, so be careful.
I ain't gonna hold you. I don't want to go this way. Why? It look a little sketchy. Like the rocks are like on top of each other.
And I'm gonna
Oh, we can explore.
shit myself.
You kind of throw me off.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Come on.
I feel like out of all people had to get the freaking camera.
Rayla, just come through.
Her name is Jay.
Jalen.